So to tie a clove hitch, you are going around and then you are going across the top and back through itself. That is a clove hitch with a quick release. And if you want to do a rolling hitch so that it doesn't slide down on a slippery surface like this, you go around twice and then across the top and back through itself. And that is a rolling hitch with a quick release, and you'll see it did slip a bit. Let's try that again without the quick release. Okay. So good, is it? Right. So we're going around twice, across the top. We won't put a quick release in, that will have better. And then it shouldn't slip down. That is a rolling hitch.